Good morning. So I just wake up. Oh no, I just showered. So as you can see, I still have again my new laundry here on my right side. You see, every day, keep washing. Say my cousin comment said, so like to do wash, but lazy to fold. Right? Mahilig maglaba. But folding it is so hirap. It's like, oh no. Right? You guys, which one do you like to do? Washing or folding? Because me, every time I have this one and I only have the one will do this. No one. But anyway, so see, it's a bright morning. It's so sunny outside, and again my front view. All right, it's moving kind of, but it's not because every day is going out. And there again my TV and my, at least now no plastic on the table. Yeah, thanks God for this wonderful house that I'm going to be missed and been here for many years. So guys, how, because sometimes it's so difficult here, it's so dusty outside, I realize because now so many cars now passing by in this uh, block. Last time when we moved here, it's only one bus, so you can still take it all those at least once or twice a month. You do the what is that, cleaning or do the dusting. But now it's already 5 buses passing by over here, so 1 week is not enough. Once a week is not enough for you to do the cleaning. So now I become so lazy to do that. Lazy to do that now. So even doing my laundry is here, really, it's lazy. Anyway guys, so which one do you prefer? Do the folding or do the washing clothes? And of course you have to think also who's going to take in the laundry after it dries, right? But anyway, thanks God for this wonderful day, wonderful yeah, all the clothing that we have. Thanks God we have it. But it's just that it's on point. I'm the one who will keeping it. So thanks guys for watching. I still have my Christmas tree over here because that's a stuffed toys my daughter like. So it's a display there. Okay? Morning. Yes. Thank you guys. So please comment down below which one you like to do. Folding or laundering. Bye. See you tomorrow. God bless you.